Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to add a payment method on Payoneer. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your account, and it should look something like this. Good. So click on get paid, and you can click on receiving accounts. So once you've done that, you can I've requested for all my accounts, so you can click on all the accounts. If yours should have a plus icon where you can request your account. So once you've done that, your accounts will be added here. But to add your personal payment method on Payoneer, you also have to go to the withdraw and convert section here just below. Then you can click on manage bank accounts here, and then you'll be brought to a page like this where you'll be able to add accounts you desire. So you can add an account here. So we can see let me just show you something quickly. Oh, okay, just click on this. Good. Okay, so I can add, so I have 13 over 15. That means I can add up to 15 accounts on this my Payoneer profile, which is crazy and very very good. um I've added just two, so you can click on add accounts, and then you can add the account detail of your choice here. You can choose personal, business, country, currency, account details, next. And once you filled in all the details, you can click on add bank account, and that is it guys. You've successfully added a bank detail to your Payoneer will review after some days and grant you access. So this is how to add a bank account detail to your Payoneer profile, and I'll see you in the next one guys.